This is Scout from Missouri Assistive Technology, and here I have a question for you. What could you do with a few pieces of PVC? I have a couple of options. Let's take a look. You could practice juggling. You could build yourself an odd little face shield holder. Or you could build something super cool with just 6 90-degree elbows and 6 pieces of 1/2-inch PVC cut to approximately 1 5/8 inch long. You can build yourself so quick and easy a little holder like so for a switch. You can attach this switch with a zip tie or a couple, and you can set this on a wheelchair tray or anywhere else with some non-skip pad underneath, and you've got a switch holder. Check us out on YouTube, Missouri Assistive Technology, for other helpful tips.